Here's another padlock video for you. This is Federal 350p. Really strong spring on the shackle there. 6-pinner, again full of serrated and spill pins. Quite a few ups and downs on this key as well also. Really struggled with this lock to get my time down, to be honest, to put it onto video, simply because of the spring tension with the serrated pins. So give it a go. I'm going to be using the Peterson gem. So we go. Start off at pin 1. Pin 2. Bit of a 10 on the core there as well. Pin 3. Feedback off 3. That's it, I've still got my counter rotation. Feedback off 4. Still got my counter rotation. Counter rotation on 3. Just like I dropped a pin. Let's try and find that pin. That's pin 4. Starts to the counter rotation over the spools. 5. There you go. Open. Cheers guys.